everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn German with Yogeeta. So students, in today's video we are going to learn a very important topic, Futur. Futur 1, future tense. So basically in our A1 we have done past tense, PP2, past participle 2. Now in A2 we have topic future tense. So let's start with our topic. So basically when we talk about future tense, so there are two types of future tense. Futur 1, simple future tense in English, and Futur 2, future perfect tense. But in today's video we are going to learn Futur 1, simple future tense. So basically Futur 1 is used to express your actions, positions or state in the future. Again, your actions, positions or state in the future. For example, I will go to Germany. He will be learning German. So, for the Futur 1, we should understand one helping verb, that is werden. And its conjugated form. So basically the conjugation of verb werden. So let's see the conjugation here. So here we are learning the verb werden and the conjugation of werden. So first we are learning the meaning of werden. So basically werden is will or to become. So basically in German we have one verb also, bekommen. That means to get. So when students write sentences related to become, they just mix the verb become with bekommen. But this is wrong. Yeah, bekommen means werden and bekommen is to get. Ich bekomme ein Handy. I get a handy. Yeah. Lekin when I talk about I become a doctor, so ich werde Ärztin. So both the verbs are different. So don't mix these verbs. So now coming to the conjugation part. So like all other verbs, werden is also conjugate with pronomen ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. So ich werde, du wirst, er, sie, es wird, wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden. Now coming to the sentence structure part. So when we make sentences with the verb werden, we use this structure. So this is the structure of Futur 1. So firstly we have to write the subject. For example, ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. Then werden, conjugated form. Then object and then infinitive verb. For example, spielen, gehen, fahren, essen, but not conjugated form. So remember, we put werden in second position and infinitive verb at the end position. So we have to conjugate werden and we will not conjugate infinitive verb, the verb at the end. So now I am going to show you some sentences in the all three forms: present form, past form, future form. Presence oder Gegenwart, PP2, Partizip Perfekt 2 und Futur 1 Future. So have a look. So here you can see the three forms: Präsens, Past Partizip 2 oder PP 2, Futur 1. Yeah. So for example, ich fahre nach Deutschland. Ich fahre nach Deutschland. So this is the present form, Präsens. Now if I talk about the past form, ich bin nach Deutschland gefahren. Ich bin nach Deutschland gefahren. But when I talk about the Futur 1, future tense, ich werde nach Deutschland fahren. Ich werde nach Deutschland fahren. So we have already done this, the sentence structure. Subject, ich, werden in the conjugated form, and it will be at second position. And then Deutschland, object, where we are going. Then fahren, infinitive verb without conjugation. So now we are seeing the second example. Let's see. Er ist Kuchen. Er ist Kuchen. So this is the present form. He is eating the cake. He is eating the cake. Er ist Kuchen. So he is eating. He is eating cake. Now if I talk about the past tense. If I talk about the past tense, so I'll write er hat Kuchen gegessen. Er hat Kuchen gegessen. So he ate. So this activity is done. He ate cake. He ate cake. Now I am talking about the future tense, Futur 1. Now he will eat cake. So er wird Kuchen essen. Again, remember the structure: subject plus verb plus object plus infinitive verb. Er wird Kuchen essen. So he will eat cake. So he will eat cake. So now let's move to the next example. Wir spielen Tennis. So wir spielen Tennis. So we are playing tennis now in the present form. We are playing tennis. Now playing is over. This activity is over. Wir haben Tennis gespielt. Wir haben Tennis gespielt. So we played tennis. We played tennis. Now if I talk about the future tense, Futur 1, wir Wir werden Tennis spielen. Wir werden Tennis spielen. So again, Subjekt, Verb, Objekt, Infinitive. We will play tennis. We will play tennis. So now we are taking one more example. So in present form, present tense, du lernst Deutsch. Du lernst Deutsch. So you are learning German. You are learning German. In participle perfect form, past tense, du hast Deutsch gelernt. Du hast Deutsch gelernt. You learned German. You learned German. Now, for the future tense, we will use du wirst Deutsch lernen. Du wirst Deutsch lernen. You will learn German. You will learn German. So, basically, in nutshell, what you have to do, you have to break your verb in two parts. First one is helping verb. So, first one is helping verb. Order Hilfsverben. Hilfsverb, that is werden. Werden in the conjugated form. And the second one is Hauptverb. Hauptverb, main verb, action verb, which shows us action. Spielen, essen und lernen, fahren. So, I believe now it is easy for you to make sentences in the future form. You have to follow the rule only. Werden at the second position in the conjugated form and the action verb, Hauptverb, in the last position, but without conjugation. So, students, in this video, we have done our verb werden in the Futur form. Futur in the future tense. But obviously, werden, the verb werden has also the past form. But past form we will do in our other video. For example, in our B1 video. So in that video, we will learn all the form of the verb in the present, future. Future we have done in the past form. So I believe this werden verb is clear to you, and how to make structure, how to make sentence structure is clear to you. So hopefully you like this video. If yes, so do give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.